Hey guys, do you think mobile application is easy or hard? This is a new way. There are so many ways you can create your mobile applications, and let's get started and let's dive into building simple mobile applications using Ionic framework. You can see the look and feel on Ionic framework has improved, and we have introducing Ionic version 7 performant app made easy. So let's dive into. So we are going to install Ionic CLI onto our PC. So you just type that, and then you're going to open up our terminal. That is either you are using CMD or PowerShell. So definitely let's install the Ionic package, and then you enter, and then we start making our mobile application. So there are very many ways you can develop your mobile applications, but the easiest way is using Ionic framework. So guys, the first step is to install the Ionic framework platform onto your PC, and by first typing npm ig at Ionic CLI. So this is going to help you develop it is going to improve you're going to type in the manifest for Ionic framework. So guys, we're going to pause this video, and then we're going to continue after the CLI has installed, and then after that we're going to write down the first Ionic project. After installation, we are going to start the Ionic app project. The way you go about it is Ionic start. So I have hopped into my desktop environment, where I'm going just to type Ionic start. This is going to prompt you to have a wizard where it is going to help you create your first Ionic project. So let's type it app creation using wizard. I don't need to use a wizard. I'm just going to create it using the terminal. So I type no, and then I want to select the framework that I want to use. Either you are a Vue developer, a React developer, or an Angular developer. So I'll pick Angular, and then you will provide the name of your project. So let's say that we are creating a mobile application. So just write mobile app as the name, mobile app as the name of your project. And then we can use a blank project. You can use a blank project, or a sided menu project, or a list project, or a first app that has been pre-made by Ionic team. So I will prefer going with the blank project, and then we are going to build everything from that point. So it's going to take some time, but after it has completed, we are going to pick it from there. So let's hit the blank project. I will select the blank project, and then it will start creating all that. And then I'd like to see how long it's going to take. So it is installing. Apparently the previous version, Ionic 6 used to take a very long time to install, but right now I've seen that it has just gone right ahead. It is installing the capacitor at the same time and all those features. So I'm going to pause, and then we are going to continue after it has already installed the project, and then we can start building our app from that point. We had created our application, and we had given it a name, mobile app. So we had to wait for a few seconds. I think it has spent like 10 minutes just to install on my PC. So it went through all the process, and then it has install the application. So right about now we're just going to dive into that application on our desktop that is called mobile app, and we are going to start that application. So it is requesting you to create an Ionic framework account, but right about now no, and then I can just now hop into that file. So you can use your favorite editor. My favorite editor is WebStorm, and what I'm about to do right now is just go to that folder on my desktop and and open that application. So on desktop you find mobile app, then you're going to open it. I'm just going to trust that application, and then what you're going to do, we are going just to type Ionic Serve. Congratulations, you have just installed your first mobile application, and about now you can use the skills that you have in terms of database design, all that, to create now an app that connects with the database and does all those things that you want it to do. So with this is a free template from Ionic framework, and what we're just going to do, we're going to type on our terminal, and then we are going to start Ionic Serve. This video is not sponsored by anybody but Zach Animate Studios. As you can see, we have started, and to follow all that you can use the Ionic documentation provided by Ionic team, so that you can also try to learn how to develop your app on your own. So let's go back and continue. After typing in Ionic Serve, you can you can just check on your browser on port 8100. You will be able to see a blank. This is a blank Ionic template. So out of this you can start using you can generate views, you can generate pages, you can generate services, you can generate guides. I'm not talking these about these are the pages that hold Ionic framework. So we can use this to create we can have an API that serves us with information. You can use Laravel to create. You can use Laravel to create your APIs. You can use .NET Framework, Angular to create your own APIs. You can use You can use C#, that is to create your own APIs that this Ionic framework can consume. So remember, mobile apps consume APIs, and APIs also, so you have to have the skill to create a mobile application. But first and foremost, thank you and congratulations for creating your first mobile application. Just a recap what to do: you go to Ionic framework platform, you install Ionic CLI. After you install the Ionic CLI, remember, maybe you have completely done after creating your own applications and you want to install that application, you can install it using the same process, and then you start creating your application using Ionic Start, and then you can run that application. See you in the next video as we create and then Ionic Serve to serve that application. I was faster than time, and then when you start the application, we're going to run into you are going to run that application. So the next video we are going to look into our project folder, where we're going to look at the app folder, asset, and all that, and all these pages within the Ionic framework and see how we can create an application out of it. So guys, cheers, hit and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.